Welcome back to Ingwa News. The Trained Nurses Association of India organized its fourth annual state conference titled National Convergence 4.0 in Goa, bringing together nursing professionals and healthcare experts from across the state. The conference focused on emerging healthcare trends, improving nursing standards, patient care, and strengthening the healthcare system through collaboration and skill development.
Nursing community is a community, or whether it's a WCD worker is another community that knows so much about the systems in which they work in. And we need to see that they are encouraged to move in that particular manner. And especially all the young nurses, many of you are getting jobs just like that. Because I am the minister concerned, you come in and you automatically, anybody is there, I give the job. Because they are educated. You don't need recommendation from anybody. You don't need recommendation from anybody for a job. You can directly apply and get inside. That is the system that we follow. And when you come in, one thing keep in mind is that you have come here with a passion to serve the people. Even us, when we get up in the morning, people come with expectations. Somebody wants to study, somebody who's not well, somebody's patients are in hospital and they need care. Selflessly you have to do all that. Today as I conclude, I said I'll come for half an hour and I'll leave. I just want to say that you are that force that is required in every state and you all are doing a phenomenal job. This conference will educate you on various modules that are there. But the only thing what I want to say that you all are not just nurses. You are the last defense. And what she said, that you are the last defense, you are the last defense. And you have to prove it that you are the last defense and take it. Like I said, it's not just, you all are not just guards like holding a weapon, but I said you have got skillful hands, unbreakable hearts and smart minds. It is not that you're standing like a guard there next to them, you're standing next to a patient. You are holding a weapon. What is your weapon? Your weapon comes in a form of a smart mind, skillful hands and unbreakable hearts. I think you need to interpret and understand what actually I'm trying to say to you, and this is very important. I today am very proud to be amongst you, and all of you understand one thing. जायते पेपरान येता जायते उलयतात लोक विश्वजीत राणे सामको अग्रेसिव्ह झाला आयज लोक म्हणटा विश्वजीत राणे उलयत ना म्हणून उलयना तेन्ना बी म्हणटा उलयना आयज खुबशे कडेन उलयता लोक अरे राण्याक कितें जाला तो उलयत ना लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं बात ही नहीं करता हूं मैं तो चुप बैठा हूं हाउ देव कार्य भी खूब करता हंगा गोवा में हिंदू क्रिश्चियन मुस्लिम साथ में रहते हैं ईद है तो हम सब ईद उनके घर जाते हैं क्रिसमस है तो उनके घर जाते हैं मैं सेंट एंटनी में हिंदू हूं लेकिन सेंट एंटनीज चैपल को मैं संभालता हूं क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी का कोई नहीं संभाल रहा है मैं ही संभालता हूं उधर जब इन्फेंट्रीज को उतारते हैं मुझे पहला अधिकार मिलता है वो मेरे हाथ में लेने के लिए So what I'm trying to say, we live in a very different type of cultural environment in the state of Goa, and we need to respect that. And all of you are very precious to us. State government will always be with you. We are in the process of doing something new. Before the election, I have to say before the election because election is coming. Before the election, we will do it in a very different way where every aspect is respected and looked at. I'm not going to nitty-gritty and technicals of all this because technical team is here, Vyasji is here, Madam is here, everybody is here to educate you on everything. We are also we are building a new cancer hospital. We'll have another 500-600 nurses created there. So you'll get a job. But we are training those nurses now with Tata Memorial so that you become indispensable. What I consider a nurse to be a very exportable commodity, but I don't want to export you anywhere. Exportable in terms of education. You should be employable anywhere. And actually, when we are educating nurses in this college here and in this institution here, that will be of benefit to you. I just want to say one thing. Wish you all the best. You all have the highest respect in my heart and in my mind. If I say my mind, that's like a normal speech. But in my heart, you live there. And I have not been a health minister because somebody asked me to be a health minister. That's out of choice. I have become the health minister every time. I ask for that portfolio. I say first discussion is health. After health, you tell me other things. Other things don't matter to me. Health matters because with health, you are able to reach and make a change in people's life and save people's life. And saving our mission is our mission. It's that mission we should take and move forward. I'm really happy that my classmate also got an IT, so always ITK award. And she will tell you that in college I should not speak. I was in college, I should not speak, I should be very quiet. And actually, time changes you. My father was also chief minister here for more than 21 years, and he was very close to the nursing community. And he was the one who actually brought transformation in the nursing education and everything. Because first decision he took when he became chief minister after a gap is to build a nursing institute. But it requires a lot of care and attention, which I already moved to put in to make it a class institute. There will be no nursing college or hostel that way what we are planning to do, so that you are proud of it. I don't want to say much, but I said a few things. I told you about my daughter. My daughter, when she was born, I was told that she will have no life. And she said there's 50% chance, and a doctor told me that, there is only 50% chance for you to save a life. And use your influence. I was in opposition, my father was in opposition at that time. Use your Speaker of the Assembly, I'm sorry. And Mr. Manohar Parrikar was the Chief Minister, or somebody else was the Chief Minister. I don't know, Goa, बहुत change होते हैं. समझ में आया उस टाइम में कौन था, कोई तो था. लेकिन he told me that 50%, but we didn't do so. She got septicemia, she got everything possible. But that nursing community played a very big role. I actually hired 2 nurses. Today they are in the government. And they actually, day and night, they used to be next to the child, and they used to see that at that time there were no high-tech incubators and all that. At that time, tube lights were used as warmers. It was so basic. You'll not believe. Milk also used to be fed with a cotton, and it used to be dipped in cotton and used to be given. But today she's 26 years old. It is a hope, and with what compassion and with commitment that you work can change somebody's life and make that person live and have a great life ahead. It is not something that you need to give up hope at that point of time. There was a time in which I said after 6 months, whether the child can hear, child cannot hear, or child's mental, this thing has to be checked. So they do the mapping of the brain also to see whether the child. There are a lot of things that has to be done, but it takes a lot of trauma on the parents. That's why parents sometimes get very irritable and are unable to wait for answers, and that's where you come in.